Last month, maybe a little while back, I started a new thread over there on enivids site, earnforex.com. It's called In Search of Minimum Wage. And the idea is to use forex to make minimum wage. Now, feel free to read anything into that seemingly silly idea. Read anything into that you want. Don't read anything into my results. For sure, do not read anything into my results. Later this summer sometime, Mackenzie and I are going to hike to the bottom of the Grand Canyon. We're going to start on that, I can't think of the name right now. It starts with a K. Can't remember the darn name. We're going to hike down that K trail to the bottom and then hike back up to Bright Angel Trail to the top. Now, those people tell you don't do it. They advise you against it. They say don't do it. I'm not going to show up Monday morning and just say, okay, I'm here. Let's do this thing. Odds of me getting back to the top is going to be slim. It's the same way with forex. If I just show up Monday morning, say, okay, market, I'm here. I'm ready to make my million. I'm probably going to lose everything I got. It helps me, just like with that hike, to kind of get prepared in advance. So this week, I'm looking for trades for next week. This month, I'm looking for trades for next month. For years, I had some little old silly looking purple tablet or something. Priscilla would write out the pairs for me. She's got good handwriting. My handwriting's terrible. She'd write out the pairs for me. And then I would look through the charts. I didn't look at that one, did I? I'd look there. I'd look through the charts, and I'd look, for this right here, and I'd look for the awesome oscillator and this and stochastic and, where the zigzag was, PSAR and all that. And I would make my notes, preparing for next week or next month or whatever. And then I would write them down. Well, nowadays I do it this way. Writing it down is better. I think writing it down is better. But the point here is, you just about have to prepare in advance. Otherwise, whether you're hiking down Grand Canyon and back up, or you're trying to trade forex, you're probably going to end up on the losing end if you don't prepare in advance. And I guess that's enough forex honesty for a day.